Yes, good morning, dear students. Today we go into a very nice topic, DNA recombinant technology in detail, and along with it, something about restriction enzymes. So, restriction fragments and restriction enzymes. What is a restriction fragment? It is a DNA fragment resulting from cutting of DNA strand by a restriction enzyme called restriction endonuclease. And we किया था हमने last lecture कि sir समझो this is cutting done by restriction endonuclease. तो sticky ends हमने आज कुछ बताया था and fragments which you get after cutting it with restriction endonuclease are called as restriction fragments. It was Stewart Lynn and Werner Aber who isolated two enzymes which restricted the growth of bacteriophage in bacterium E. coli. तो क्वेश्चन ये है एक बैक्टीरिया रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम बनाता ही क्यों है? It is bacteria which make restriction enzyme. Why does restriction enzyme get produced? Because suppose this is the bacteria and this bacteria is attacked by a bacteriophage. So do you remember? The bacteriophage will insert its DNA inside the bacteria and it will disintegrate the bacterial DNA and form daughter bacteriophages. ये last lecture किया था lytic cycle. So the bacteria will produce restriction endonuclease enzyme which will cut the bacteriophage DNA. तो bacteriophage के DNA को ही तोड़ डालेगा and protects the bacteria from action of bacteriophages. That is the reason bacteria produce restriction endonuclease enzymes. And restriction enzymes belong to a larger class of enzymes called nucleases. तो nucleases नाम का एक broad spectrum होता है. You have exonucleases and you have endonucleases. Exonucleases remove nucleotides from the ends of the DNA. Exonucleases nucleotides को break करेगा from the end of the DNA. Ends basic. तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड को end to end तोड़ता जाएगा. And endonucleases cut it at specific positions within the DNA. तो endonuclease बीच में से कट करेगा and makes it into fragments. So exonucleases from the ends and endonucleases in between. And restriction endonucleases are used by us for DNA recombinant technology. There are three main types of restriction endonuclease enzymes: type 1, type 2, and type 3. And we will use type 2 restriction enzymes in recombinant DNA technology. तो ये वाला type 2 use करते हैं. And how are restriction enzymes named? उनका nomenclature कैसा होता है? For example, a very commonly used enzyme, EcoR1. EcoR1 is a commonly used restriction endonuclease enzyme. The first letter in italics of the enzyme indicates the name of the genus. So, genus of the bacteria. E stands for Escherichia. Then the second two letters are the name of species. So, CO stands for coli. Then comes the strain of the organism. It is R, which is RY13 strain. That is the strain of the organism. And a Roman number indicating the order of discovery. It is a Roman number 1, which is the first endonuclease to have been discovered from Escherichia coli. So it is called as Eco R1. So what is Escherichia? Name of the genus. What is coli? Name of the species. What is RY or R? The name of the strain. And what is 1? The Roman number indicating the order of discovery. So this is the way Eco R1 is named. Similarly, Hind3 is another commonly used restriction enzyme. H stands for Haemophilus. IN stands for influenza. Haemophilus influenza. D stands for strain RD. And it is 3, which is the third endonuclease to be discovered from Hind or Haemophilus influenza. So ये इस तरह से नेमिंग या नॉमेनक्लेचर किया जाता है. Then we have recognition sequences. Recognition sequences or restriction site is a specific site where the DNA is cut by a restriction enzyme. So restriction enzyme kahin bhi cut nahi karta hai. It cuts specific sites in the DNA, which are called as restriction sites. And those restriction sites are particular sequences of 4 to 8 nucleotides. And 4 से 8 nucleotide का एक specific site होता है. Each restriction enzyme is highly specific and it recognizes a particular short sequence of DNA and cuts both DNA strands at the same time at specific points. And most of these restriction enzymes, so समझो एक enzyme है, it will cut DNA at a specific sequence in both sides. ये DNA भी cut करेगा और ये DNA भी cut करेगा at specific sites. And what is that specific site called as? A restriction site. And the restriction sites are mostly palindromes. What is a palindrome? In a palindrome, base sequence of second half of the DNA represents the mirror image of the base sequence of first half. Base sequence of second half is same as base sequence of first half. What do you mean by this? Sir, समझो palindromes are groups of letters read forward and backward the same. For example, Malayalam. Sir, MALAYALAM Malayalam. तो उसका उल्टा करेंगे तो MALAYALAM मलयालम. उल्टा भी सेम ही आता है. And that is a palindrome. So here, check it carefully. Sir, you have 5 end to 3 end, a sequence called GAATTC. And yahan 5 end to 3 end, opposite side, you have the same sequence GAATTC. Same. तो look at this. ये दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है और फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड सेम रीड हो रहे हैं. Such a sequence is called as a palindrome. And your most commonly used enzyme, you remember Eco R1, Escherichia coli R1. Escherichia coli R1 cuts eco R1 cuts GA के बीच में फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड एंड अदर स्ट्रैंड ऑल्सो G और A के बीच में फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड और बाद में AATT और TTAA के बीच में हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। तो फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड और यहां हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। तो ये बन गया आपका स्टिकी एंड और ये बन गया आपका स्टिकी एंड। और इस तरह से स्टिकी एंड्स बनाए जाते हैं by eco R1. What is the specific sequence for that? GAATTC, a palindrome for eco R1. And now that we have understood this, so sir, समझो आपने एक प्लाज्मिड को कट किया using eco R1 and we get the sticky end. And आपने gene for insulin भी कट किया, which is cut by same enzyme eco R1. So eco R1 has cut the gene of insulin from human DNA, and it will now समझो gene of insulin हम लोग यहां लगाते हैं। तो ये है प्लाज्मिड, समझो ये है प्लाज्मिड एंड ये हो गया उसका स्टिकी एंड और ये डाल दिया हमने जीन ऑफ इंसुलिन, यहां जीन ऑफ इंसुलिन डाल दिया। तो व्हाट विल हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्यूटिफुल पैलिंड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस, जी और ए के बीच में हम यूज करेंगे लाइकेज एंजाइम। जी और ए के बीच में लाइकेज एंजाइम टू क्रिएट द फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड। जी और ए के बीच में लाइकेज एंजाइम टू क्रिएट द फॉस्फोडाइस्टर बॉन्ड। एंड डू यू रिमेंबर AATT of the insulin and AATT of the plasmid are complementary, तो उनके बीच में बन जाएंगे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। एंड लाइगेज और हाइड्रोजन, लाइगेज से फॉस्फोडाइस्टर, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड से excellent combination is done between the plasmid and insulin or whichever gene we are using, and this is the way restriction enzymes work. और एक चीज याद रखना, for cutting we need magnesium, क्लीवेज के लिए मैग्नीशियम की जरूरत पड़ती है। So these are restriction enzymes.